ॐ अज्ञानतिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः. Welcome to our today's topic. It is geography as described in Bhagavad Gita and other Vedic literatures. So as we have discussed, all these subject matters, all types of knowledge are there in Bhagavad Gita. So we have arranged according to different subjects. So today we will discuss about geography. As we read from modern geography, our knowledge is very limited. From modern geography we find just very limited knowledge. Just like about this world only. There are some continents and oceans, etc. These are described in our geography. But beyond Earth, beyond this world, we don't have any knowledge. But Vedic geography, it describes everything, the entire universe. According to Veda, there are 14 planets. We are staying in the middle. This is Earth planet, it is called Bhuloka. And above that, there is Bhuvaloka, that is in Gayatri. We chant Gayatri mantra. Bhum Bhur Bhuva Swaha. Swaha means heaven, Sargaloka. Then Mahatloka, Janaloka, Tapaloka and Satyaloka, where Brahma resides. And these are all geography. And below our this Earth planet, there is Atala, Vitala, Sutala, Talatala, Mahitala, Rasatala and Patala. These are also various planets as described in Veda. And below Patala, there is also other planets like hellish planets. In 5th canto of Srimad Bhagavatam, 26th chapter, there are 28 hells described. If you deviate Vedic rule, then that is called vice, papa, and we have to be punished. We will be punished in that hellish planets for deviating various Vedic laws. The various hells are there, earmarked. In Bhagavad Gita particularly we will describe, it is described in Bhagavad Gita 11th chapter, text 22. Rudradityava Shrabodesha Sadhya Vishweshu no Marutaschosma Pasa Gandharva Jakhya Surasindha Sangha Vikyanti Tvangbe Smita Chaiva Sarve. These are various planets. All the various manifestations of Lord Shiva, Rudra, Lord Shiva resides in his planet, Shiva planet. Aditya, they are the sons of Aditi. There are 12 sons of Aditi. The eldest son is Vivaswan. Vivaswan means the king of sun planet. Vivaswan. Then the Vasus, there are 8 Vasus are there. The Sadhyas, Sadhya, Vishwadeva, Ashwinis, they are the heavenly doctors, Ashwini Kumar. Maruth means they are wind gods. There are 49 Maruths, Anchas Maruta, 49 Maruths. The forefathers, Pitrun, our forefathers. There is a planet for forefathers, Pitruloka. Bhagavad Gita also elsewhere described. Janti Devavrata Devan, Pitru Janti Pitruvrata, Bhutani Janti Bhuteja, Janti Madhyajino Piman. Janti Devavrata Devan. Those who will worship the demigods, they will go to their planets. That is geography. Janti Devavrata Devan, Pitru Janti Pitruvrata. Those who worship their forefathers, they will go to that loka, Pitrun. Bhagavad Gita elsewhere it is stated that Arjuna, Pitrunashtapi Arjama. Arjama is the king of Pitruloka, Arjama. And it is described that when Vidura, the Jamaraj once he was caused by one Rishi called Mandya Muni. Mandamuni was given a punishment because when he was a small child, at that time he pricked a pin below that hopper, grasshopper. For that he was punished. In that kingdom where he was staying, there is some thieves came and stole the ornaments of the king, and the king's police force, they chased after those thieves, and those thieves took shelter at the ashram of this Mandava Muni, and they thought that he is the main person of that. He is the gang. He is the leader of those thieves. That's why he was punished. There is one iron rod, and he was forcibly put above that rod through his anus, and this way he was punished. But because he was a very powerful person, he was having so much mystic yogas, that's why he could not be killed. He was not killed. But later, somehow or other, the king could know that there was a mistake. An innocent person was punished. That's why he begged excuse from him and released him. But that person, Mandava Muni, he went to Jamaraj and asked, what is my fault that I was given this punishment? So Jamaraj said, this is the fact that you have done this mistake. So he said, I did it in a very small boy, 6 to 7 years old, like that, and for that I have to be punished. So you be a Sudra, you be a very low birth. In this way he was caused. And that Jamaraj was Vidura. He is the son of Vyasadeva. And while Vidura was in this material world, in this earth, during the time of Lord Krishna, at that time, that Jamaraj post, that was not lying vacant. This Arjuna was in charge of that Jamaraj. In this way, so there are so many local planets are there, the four fathers. Similarly, the Gandharvas. They sing very nicely, nice song, sing. They have a very nice tone. They can sing very nicely. Jakshas are also there, described in Srimad Bhagavatam, the 4th canto. Dhruva was fighting with those Jakshas. And similarly, the Asuras. Asuras are mainly those who do not believe in the Lord or who do not take shelter of the Lord. They are Asuras. Devas and Asuras. Two types of persons are there. Those Vishnu Bhakta Bhavet Daiva. Asuras Tad Viparjaya. Vishnu Bhakta, those who are devotees of the Vishnu, of the Lord, they are Deva. And Asura Tad Viparjaya. They are the opposite of those persons. That is, they don't worship the Lord Vishnu. That's why they are known Asuras. Though they may be very learned, just like Ravana, Hiranyakasipu, Hiranyakya, they are Asuras, demons. Though they were very powerful, they are having so much power, still they are Asuras. And the perfected demigods are beholding you in wonder. Demigods. Bhagavad Gita, it is stated that Janti Devavrata Devan Urdhan Gachanti Sattvastha. If you are, this material world is of three modes of nature: mode of goodness, passion, and ignorance. Those at the time of death, those who are in mode of goodness, they will go to the higher planets, they will go to the heaven planets. In this way, this geography is described. In Srimad Bhagavatam, particularly 5th canto, this geography is described in detail. So in this way, there is geography also there. In Bhagavatam 5th canto, it is described there are 7 islands, 7 Deepa, and we are staying in this Jambu Deepa. In each island, in each Deepa, there are 9 Varsas, Navavarsha. And Bharatvarsha, we are staying in Bharatvarsha. This is the southernmost part of this Deepa, this island, Jambu Deepa. In the middle there is Sankarsana, there is Lord Shivaji. He is worshipping Lord Sankarsana. In this way, there are nine verses, 9 continents described. Srimad Bhagavad, 5th canto. So this is the geography. So we believe in Vedic geography, and the modern geography, that is not accurate. So, okay, thank you very much. Hare Krishna.